Some Sylvinson with yam I want be.
What kind of yam?
Sylvinson.
You want a Sylvinson?
Yeah.
You're not going to get none can name so.
Silverstone. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and this morning people, we are bringing in the new year. Today's Saturday and Obi's peeling some bananas. Over there we have some pumpkin people. We're gonna cook some ackee saltfish arm and pumpkin. And guys, me already pressure my peas. See saltfish pot. Oh, you love dinosaur. Guys, we're making some resource material stuff for sweetie Kai. So yes guys, so comment down below, what are you guys having for breakfast this morning? A long time I ate some banana. B, you think the banana nice and soft? A long time I eat soft, nice bananas.
Them soft man, I choose the margais.
The margais one?
One them.
The margais banana, the by the softest one them be?
Always.
Okay, can't wait to eat them. So yes guys, we're gonna have some nice breakfast this morning. Can't wait to tell when I meat banana or yam. White yam, cha-cha. Some Sylvinson with yam I want be.
What kind of yam?
Sylvinson.
You want a Sylvinson?
Yeah.
You're not going to get none can name so.
Silverstone.
No, you're not getting that either.
Where you have name?
St. Vincent.
What?
I want to talk
A
about
Sylvinson.
No. A St. Vincent. A St. Vincent? Yeah.
A Sylvinson. Comment down below where the yam name people. Come and sure.
St. Vincent, absolutely.
It's a Sylvinson.
No, a St. Vincent. Well, I have to come from St. Vincent actually.
Leonard, it's not St. Vincent. It's Sylvinson.
That's what name.
Well, you can go down there. People comment down below.
St. Vincent, yeah. St. Vincent. That's how I make
A
it.
Sylvinson, me always hear and know growing up.
But I two white you have, you know.
They are Sylvinson name.
Remember the other one?
Unless a patwa broken, we're so bad.
But I think a St. Vincent, yeah, it's actually the name, but
Well,
it's St. Vincent.
We don't call it Sylvinson, we call it Sylvinson. And a Sylvinson,
You know things like that.
they are Sylvinson, we always hear. Right.
St. Vincent?
Sylvinson.
No.
Me can call Omar.
St. Vincent, I know St.
Me go call Omar and ask him where yam name. I mean, know him, I go tell me Sylvinson.
St. Vincent, man.
Eh?
Yeah.
What the yam name? Sylvinson or Saint Vincent?
St. Vincent.
What?
St. Vincent, yam.
Back foot. Me there you customer. Leo, I tell you, sir, Sylvinson. I swear I Sylvinson, so when me get Saint Vincent.
Vincent, but then when it says St. Vincent,
No, sir.
I never have missed out the T. St. Vincent.
So when me get this wrong.
My daddy, St. Vincent.
Daddy call it Sylvinson too?
Not too, I call it up.
Oh my God! Wow! Come on, so we can't just come up with this city guy. I love to come up with one for something more time. Alright.
No, wish me no good. That's weird.
Guys, the soup come back. Be a peel all like banana. Me go start with the ackee.
No good, you know wish me.
Why?
Say, Leo, alright, put on a nice shirt, yeah.
Leonard,
You know wish me no good.
what wrong with your shirt?
I swear you don't wish me no good.
But Leo, look at my clothes.
Baby.
You know a normal shirt. So you want a nice shirt, sir? You want me to go for a nice shirt?
Too
here?
late.
It's too late. Too late shall be your cry. Don't let too late be your cry letters. Alright, people will soon come back. Oh, babe, it's because you know, dress up and put on a shirt. It's the vlogging life, babe. It's the vlogging life.
Says she who got up and have a bath and put on her whole face in the vlogging, right? Okay.
Alright, soon come back, people. Well, people, come here, make them see. The saltfish in. I'm going to take it out right now. Still, the bananas in. We only do pumpkin, people. We not do nothing, no, you know, no heavy food. Oopsie. Wash it off. Not do no heavy food, people. Just banana and pumpkin. Yes. I already cut up my tomato. I cut up my onions. People may not have no knife skills. It's not about the knife skills. Here, it's about the seasoning. Let them talk for themselves. Go there. Yes, guys, I can't wait to eat this. If you don't know, I love some ackee and saltfish. What am I supposed to go in my pot there?
That onion.
Thyme and garlic and pepper. Got a piece of garlic and a piece of scotchy. Sorry.
Try use one when yellow. So we can take it out and bite.
So these are well nice, people. Well nice. So this ackee are well nice, you know, because you have starfish and you have ham. I try to cut up the ham really fine. I put them up even smaller than this layer. Have you ever had ackee starfish and ham before, guys? Never had it before, Leo?
Not with
Oh, what you have it with?
fry pork and saltfish.
Why
And
not?
all by itself.
What? What all by itself?
Okay.
That's normal. Up here, ackee alone we usually eat. No starfish. A country, yeah. And the tree and the ackee. Ow, you had to. A hot beer. And I try my arm. You can get in the vegetable. And then get a little char on it, people. But baby, this smell good, but it can't get hot. Yeah, get little brown and man. Never add the vegetable then now. I add everything else now. Oh no! What kind of sandwich was big and turning on the pot?
Not wrong.
I like putting leaves then there. Them big something kind of ackee, baby. I like to scrape off the leaves then in there, you know, like this.
Oh.
I have to scar with some hot water, you know. Cause I know ackee will go to and pick from tree. Everyone will buy an ackee and you have to scar it. You get the stove, turn the food time. I want to know, what do you guys traditionally eat for Christmas morning? Not Christmas morning, New Year is the day and before New Year's Day. What do you usually eat? Where you usually eat, Leo? Leo, where you eat?
Maybe anything, just, I mean, apart from Christmas. Yeah, basically going back to regular programming. So
So
Christmas
the
is
New
a,
Year,
of course.
we usually eat food. It can be a can saltfish and yam and banana or food, pork, nice. Something for breakfast, like sweet. Them something that we usually eat.
Christmas Day are the only special day basically. Every other thing back to regular programming.
That sounds kind of sad.
Sad? No, that's not sad.
Have something green in our pot there. So what I'm going to do, I'll add some seasoning and some black pepper. Some of this.
Alright, let that down. Cook down a little bit.
So guys, wait. The food finally done. Wanna see it look nice? Aki saltfish and ham with pumpkin and bananas.
I am the honest taste tester right about now. Akis are so nice. So soft. Bananas, let's see what's going on.
Banana look soft to
Soft, could be softer, but very nice as well. Interested with the ham. So this is the Aki ham and banana taste.
It's the ham.
You soon get ham, Papa. How it tastes, baby?
Very nice, baby.
It tastes real good?
Everything just compliment. Very nice. Alright, now it's time to eat my breakfast now.
Yes, guys. Alright, I say more? More? She loves bananas. You're right. Alright, I love a banana, Leo. Alright, so it's
Testing done, eating time.
time for all of us to have some yummy food, people. Until next time, see you later. We'll soon post again. Bye, guys.